In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini inside Google Sheets Nemcha. If you've ever stared at a blank cell, wondering how to phrase a product description, a summary, or even a quick email, this will save you time and help you sound polished without leaving your spreadsheet. Start by opening your Google Sheet and click into the cell where you want your content to appear. Look for the AI icon that appears near the cell, or open the Gemini side panel on the right. Both options work the same way, so choose whichever view feels more comfortable. This feature is designed to generate text that's tailored to the data you already have in your sheet, which makes it especially useful for creating descriptions, emails, and short posts that reference your existing rows. Now, type your request in plain language. Be clear about what you want and the tone you'd like. For example, I'll ask Gemini to draft a thank you email to a customer. I'll include helpful context, like the product they purchased, and a friendly, appreciative tone. You can even mention specific cells, such as use the customer's first name from A2 and the product name from B2. So the draft pulls in details you've already recorded. When you're ready, press Enter. In just a few seconds, Gemini returns a professional message you can review. If the first draft isn't quite right, adjust your prompt to change the tone, length, or key points. For instance, ask for a shorter version, a more upbeat style, or a version with a clear call to action. Small tweaks to your request often produce exactly what you need. When the content looks good, click Insert. The text will drop right into your selected cell or the appropriate place from the side panel. If it's longer text like an email, you can expand the column or turn on text wrapping so everything is easy to read. From there, you can copy it into your email client or keep it in the sheet as part of your workflow. You can repeat the same process for product descriptions, quick summaries of notes, or short social media captions without switching tabs. Always give your content a quick review for accuracy and tone, and avoid pasting any sensitive personal details into your prompt. That's it. With Gemini and Google Sheets, you can go from idea to polished text in seconds, all inside the spreadsheet you're already using.